Emma's rainy library day. Emma wakes up early on Saturday. She puts on her yellow sweater. She looks out the window. I want to go outside today. She wants the park and the swings. But the sky looks dark. A cold wind touches the glass. Maybe it will be fine. Then rain starts all at once. Oh no, it is raining. What can I do now? Take your time, Emma. We can change our plan. I wanted the park. Let's go to the library. It is warm and dry there. Emma thinks for one moment. Yes, I can try. She takes her small blue umbrella. Mom and Emma walk down the street. Rain taps on the umbrella. The road shines with water. Soon they reach the library door. Lucy is standing there. Hi, Emma. It is so rainy. Yes, I came here instead. Let's go inside together. Inside, the library is quiet. It smells like paper and wood. Emma likes that warm smell. She hears rain on the window. She remembers one storybook. I want the dog's storybook. Last week, she could not find it. Let's check the low shelf. They walk to the children's shelf. Emma looks left and right. I do not see it. The shelf is almost empty. Emma feels a little sad again. Wait, look at that cart. Near the desk is a return cart. One blue book is on top. Is that the storybook? She walks closer very slowly. Yes, it is the right one. It came back this morning. This book is nice. Emma and Lucy sit by the window. They read the first pages together. The rain sounds soft now. Emma feels warm and calm. Did the day get better? Yes, much better. Rainy days can be nice too. She smiles at the rainy window. It is raining. Let's go inside. This book is nice. What can I do now? I do not see it. Let's read aloud. Then rain starts all at once. Then rain starts all at once. We can change our plan. We can change our plan. Inside, the library is quiet. Inside, the library is quiet. Near the desk is a return cart. Near the desk is a return cart. Rainy days can be nice too. Rainy days can be nice too.